in season, you're often asked to be in multiple spots at once. Now with being a new dad, there's no spot I can really be besides home, taking care of the little one. So for Safelite to be able to come out to the house, this just makes it a lot easier.
Who's your favorite race car driver?
Bubba Wallace.
Never heard of him. Now we're out here watching the gang go to work and get my windshield replaced, and I'm just trying to entertain my dog.
All right, can you do that one more time?
I was gonna say, I'll put it back.
How's the first drive home from the hospital?
First drive home, very nerve-wracking. 10 and 2, blinkers, under the speed limit. The hardest thing is you can't practice putting a baby in a car seat because you don't have a baby yet. Now we're back to normal. We don't waste any time on the roads. He loves it. It calms him down, actually. He gets in the car, he doesn't like the car seat. But when Daddy gets going, hits the bumps a little bit, takes the curves a little fast, he goes right to sleep. So we're good. No more crack. Job well done.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you, man. Have a good one, buddy. Good luck with everything.
Thank you, brother. Appreciate it.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
Go have a good one.